INVE Aquaculture presents Vitalgae Nanno, the premium 100% algal diet for rotifer culture. Vitalgae Nanno is manufactured with 100% EU-sourced ingredients, and it's compliant with strict EU regulations. Maintain storage at -18 degrees to ensure product quality. Before use, thaw the product in the refrigerator at 0 to 4 degrees for 24 hours. This slow thawing process is essential to preserve its quality. Calculate the required amount based on your rotifer culture density. Once opened, the product must be used within 3 days. Always keep it tightly sealed and refrigerated at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. To achieve a consistent mixture, shake the bag vigorously to ensure the product is well mixed. For best results, mix the product with water to create a homogeneous suspension. With its high density of pure algae cells, Vitalgae Nanno provides more nutrients per dose, improving feed efficiency and simplifying application. Ensure the tank is clean and disinfected before pouring in Vitalgae Nanno. This step ensures optimal conditions for your rotifers. Vitalgae Nanno, simplifying your rotifer culture with premium nutrition and reliable quality.